welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home for 4. Today I will be showing you the sectional couch that my husband and I bought. I actually had another video when my husband and I were shopping at Evansville Overstock warehouse, so don't forget to watch that video, and also another video of me talking about the old sectional couch that we have, or recliner, which is the Lazy Boy. I talk about the pros and cons, so you should watch that other video. But anyway, today's video is about this couch that we bought. So when my husband and I, and also I asked our children, decided that we're gonna let go of the Lazy Boy recliner that we used to have in this living room, we talked about what color we want. So we wanted something light. If you've seen my video before, while I was talking about the Lazy Boy recliner, that was like a dark camel brown leather. So we talked about going for a lighter color this time. It's either like light gray or beige, but this one that we selected is a light gray color. So we still wanted a sectional because, you know, we spend most of our times here. Our TV is on this area, and then we watch our shows over here. I mean, it's the place that all of us spend most of the time with. But the reason why we selected this sectional is that I really like the nail, or what do you call that, the nail heads or nail trims over here below. I like that one, and then my husband liked it too, so we kind of like agree on that. And also these are removable, so if we wanted to like vacuum and clean it, it's easy to do that. So all these pieces right here are removable. So if anything that gets stuck underneath, it'll be easy to clean. And also one of the things that we consider when we were looking for the sectional couch, we wanted something that is, the cushion is a little stiff, but not very stiff, so that the comfort level is okay, because like I said, we spend most of our time here. And when it was delivered the other day or yesterday, we were surprised because all the pillows came in free, like it was included in the price. We didn't know that they were gonna do that when we purchased it, because we thought it was just the sectional sofa. So there were like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pillows. So my husband and I, we were a little bit surprised with how big the sectional is when it was delivered in our house, because when we were at the Evansville Overstock warehouse, we saw it and we kind of like fell in love. So we decided that we're gonna get this, and this is a sofa that we're gonna be putting in our home. Plus it was also affordable. We didn't spend as much money as we did when we purchased the Lazy Boy. So it is really reasonably priced. And also, I think that our living room looks brighter, so much brighter now. Compared to what it was before, because like I said, in our old sectional or recliner, we had like a dark brown camel color. With this kind of color, it kind of like, even though the sectional is big, compared to the one before. It feels brighter. The space still looks bigger. So we love it. And so I'm going to show you over here the name of the So we bought this from Overstock Warehouse, but the furniture is Jackson Furniture. And then I'm going to show you over here too. I was talking about earlier that the bottom part of the couch or the sectional is removable, but the back part of it is not. So the back part of it is attached to the back side of the couch. All of it are like that. And then I have truly investigated every single corners of this couch to find out how well they have sewn or put the materials together, and it looks like they've done a really good job because I didn't find anything that's like the thread are coming off or any defect at all, because when they got it delivered yesterday, I was looking at the details over here, all the little corners over here, and then over here, and it looks like it's well made. So we're hoping that this couch would last us longer. I mean, I'm not expecting for it to last 10 years, but at least when we bought this sectional sofa, we didn't spend as much money as we did before when we purchased Lazy Boy. But I just want to throw it out there that this is the sofa that we decided to buy, and it looks like it made our living room look bigger and brighter. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting another video to show how, or like kind of, because I have been researching, there is a product that you can spray on a lighter color or any kind of fabric couches to protect it from stains and water. So I'm going to be showing another video to do that. But today, that is all that I'm going to be talking about. I hope you like this video. There are a lot of similar items out there, like Wayfair or branded furnitures or sectional similar to this, but this one we got it from Overstock Evansville Warehouse. Shout out to the person that helped us. Her name is Carice. Thank you so much for helping us that day to select and choose what we wanted for our home. Thank you so much for helping us. And also, if you haven't watched the videos where I reviewed the Lazy Boy sectional recliner, go ahead and watch that, so that you can, at least if you're looking for furniture, you can consider what I thought of it after owning it for a little over 5 years. And also check out my video when my husband and I were shopping for this sectional at Overstock Warehouse. And also, if you are already a subscriber, thank you sa mga Bisaya. Daghan kay salamat sa pagsitanaw sa akong YouTube videos. Sa mga Tagalog, maraming salamat sa parating panonood ng mga YouTube videos ko. And to all the viewers and subscribers all over the world and here in the United States, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed before and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to hit like and then subscribe. And thank you so much as always. Until next time, bye!